Hello everyone, welcome to our new video. If your Instagram Notes feature is not showing, then you are on the right video. Because in this video we will learn how to fix Instagram Notes feature not showing. First of all, open Instagram app from your mobile phone. Click on the profile icon in the right bottom. After this you have to click on three lines at the top right. Here you will see the list of different options. You have to choose settings option. You will see list of different options. You have to choose privacy option. Now scroll down to activity option and click on it. Now you have to enable show activity status option. Now you will see your problem has been fixed. But if still not resolved, then you have to need to update your Instagram application from Play Store. Like and share this video if it works well for you. Also subscribe Let Me Guide channel to watch more problem solving videos and click on bell icon. Thank you.